Well, here we go. It is JP with Max Tr3 Revival, and it has been a minute. Had a whole lot happening and not much time or resources as far as working on the car. I have picked up a few new items that are going to help me in the long run. One is that piece right there. Found this through a friend that used to be part of the Triumph group that I was with before. He decided to let it go. I picked it up. Looks in great shape. I think it'll save me a lot of time when I get to the point where putting the front end back together. Also got another unique item on the way. Should be showing up this week. Picked up a fan for the blue car. So other than that, everything's still pretty much where it's been. I do have a little bit of a tire issue going on with this one. I'm still trying to figure out. I think my issue with the 62 is the timing. So I'm trying to get the timing information so I can get it set. It just seems off, and I think that's why it's not running. That, and I may decide to pull off the carbs, get those working straight. Get up here so you can see what I'm talking about. Also got a bulb going out on one of my lights. So now I'm up in the bay, and we'll just kick it off so you can get an idea of what I'm dealing with. So I think my battery's a little weak. We will get it charged back up. See if we can't hit it with a little more starter fluid. I know I've talked about before getting the carbs lined up, so I got some fluid going through them. I need to replace all that old rubber hose because it's not ethanol related fuel. Coil checked out. I know the distributor's been rebuilt. I got new plugs in it. So that one needs a lot of metal work, so I'm gonna have to get back on that. We got some cooler weather coming, which is great for being out in the garage and welding on parts. So today, I think what I'm gonna try and do is tackle getting back on some of the metal. So I have been working on this, got a few of the pieces done. Need to get back on it, play around with it and see if I can't finish up that trans cover. If not, I believe I have one right there, and that one's in pretty good shape. I may decide to swap them out and take that one and put it down in the car on the bottom here. Worry about the other one once I get it done. But rockers are good. Some of this, the way the front end's put together, is not so hot. But that's where I'm gonna go for now. And in the meantime, work on some of this for the trans cover as well. So that's where I'm at. We'll see how I get there. We'll see how it works. Let's, have no kind of a plan and dive in and see what happens. All right. We'll check back in. So got a little bit of time off, and I thought I'd go through some of the bins that I have and try and find usable stuff and get rid of stuff that I don't need. I did go yesterday, and I'll drop a picture in and pick up a fiberglass hardtop, newer version than what I have on my current car. I don't think I'm going to use that one because number one, I don't know who made it. I don't know the manufacturer. I don't know how it connects. A newer one's going to be easier to figure out, plus it's a nicer looking unit. Going back through and just looking at stuff that I have and trying to find out what's usable. We have items like that is front pads, and they're looking pretty good shape. So I'm pulling out little bits and pieces and trying to just clean them up, get them ready to go, throw some paint on them, that kind of thing. And then look at what I've got that's left over that I know was off the original car like this. Looks like my original throttle mechanism for my gas pedal. So that's kind of where I'm at and what I'm working on currently. All right, so taking a little break. I got one box that I got complete right here, putting little marks on them. So if I know what's in them, I got this one I'm going through currently. I got some stuff on the floor that I was looking at. I was also polishing some chrome, so here is a piece that I wanted to go ahead and do, see how it is. I think that's for the wing vents, wings, whatever you call them, on the side. These are the pieces they attach to. So I was going to try and polish that one up. It's not the best looking. See if I can do that. I'm just picking little projects I can go. So tedious. This, I think I got it at some point because I was missing one for the frame for the 58. So I'm just going to kind of see if I can't clean those up and get them painted. The bridge between the two carburetors, I'm just going to scuff that down, spray it with some clear. There's the other little piece for the end. Said, all I'm trying to do is clean up some of this stuff, get them back in the boxes, so when I go to look for them, they'll be ready to go. All right, so here's what I'm gonna say. You see that, and that is not what you call bright works, by no means. But with a little chrome polish, a little 4/0 steel wool, and a little piece of, I think it's 500 grit, you can turn that into this. They look pretty good. They're not, no means they are concourse style at all, but shiny enough for me and what I'm trying to do. And, took about, I don't know, about a half hour. So, not sure if you can see that, but it's coming into focus. Come on. It's just trash. So, gonna scuff it, spray it, call it a day. That's the same piece that I just finished cleaning up. And it's not, it's not going to be 100%, but it looks better. And I sprayed it with a matte because I don't want it shiny. I just want it clean. So that's the same thing I'm going to do to the small piece and then knock that out as one more thing done. All right, so we're going to wrap it up on this one. This is JP again. Just show you what I had. That's the black top that's up there on top of the blue car. I don't think that one's going to hang out. I don't think I need more than one hardtop. And that one has a lot of issues, so it was going to take a lot of work. So moving forward, things that I want to get done is I want to consolidate some more of the items that I have and get rid of some of the pieces I don't need. I got some cleanup needs to happen in the garage. It's just been way too long. Got a few other small items I'm looking for, like the other battery tie down hook piece. So if you got an extra one of those, let me know. I'd be more happy to take it off your hands. Been a while, like I said. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully I'll have more content for you soon. and we'll get back on track. I'll probably flip-flop in between some of the metal work that I need done on the bottom car and trying to get the upper car started. I have to rig up some kind of a temporary gas line so I can give it a shot. All right. Thanks for tuning in. If not, and you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. All right, see you.